Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nobarun, and if you have been following the AI world over the last 1 year, you have probably heard one sentence again and again, that is, developers are becoming obsolete. Or maybe you have heard people say, you don't need to learn programming anymore, just use AI. And recently, another statement has become very popular, that is, vibe coding is dead in 2026. But is that really true? The answer is both yes and no. No, because AI coding is not going anywhere. In fact, AI is becoming more powerful every single month. But at the same time, yes. Because one particular way of using AI is slowly disappearing, and that is blind vibe coding. Today, I want to explain what that actually means, not based on hype, not based on fear, but from the perspective of a software engineer, because I see two extreme opinions on the internet. On one side, people believe AI will replace every developer. On the other side, some people believe AI is useless and everything should still be coded manually. Personally, I don't agree with either of these opinions. I think the truth lies somewhere in the middle. So before we discuss why people are saying vibe coding is dead, let's first understand what vibe coding actually is. Vibe coding doesn't simply mean using ChatGPT, Gemini, or Cursor. It means describing your idea in plain English and letting AI generate most of the application for you. For example, you build an e-commerce website with React, ASP.NET Core, SQL Server, JWT authentication, payment integration, and an admin dashboard. Within minutes, AI generates a working project. That's vibe coding, and honestly, it's amazing. A few years ago, software development looked very different. Developers searched documentation, read Stack Overflow, watched tutorials, debugged errors for hours, configured dependencies manually. Building a project often took days before writing actual business logic. But today, the workflow is much faster. Instead of writing every file manually, developers prompt AI. AI generates the boilerplate. Developers review it, test it, and finally deploy it. Notice something important: the developer never disappears. The developer reviews everything. That's the difference. AI saves an incredible amount of time. It creates crude APIs, DTOs, validation, documentation, authentication, pagination, boilerplate code. Instead of repeating the same tasks every week, developers can spend their time solving real business problems. That's productivity, not cheating. But here is the biggest misunderstanding: AI doesn't actually understand your application. It predicts the next most likely code based on patterns it has learned. Sometimes those predictions are excellent and sometimes they are completely wrong. Working code doesn't always mean correct code. This is where blind vibe coding starts. Many people think, give it a prompt and the code is working, then done. Professional developers follow a different process. Prompt, generate, review, test, improve, and deploy. Generating code is only the beginning. AI can generate code, but developers are still responsible for architecture, security, business logic, performance, testing, maintainability. AI writes code. Developers make engineering decisions. Imagine asking AI to build a login system. It works. Users can register, users can log in. Everything looks perfect, but are passwords securely hashed? Are JWT tokens configured correctly? Can users access someone else's data? Is the application protected from common security attacks? AI doesn't automatically verify these things. A software engineer does. The biggest danger is simple: prompt, copy, paste, run, and deploy it. Without understanding the code, you eventually create software that nobody, including you, can maintain. Soon, every new feature breaks something else. Debugging becomes impossible. That's why blind vibe coding fails. The smarter workflow is different. Prompt AI generate code, then read it, then understand it, modify it, then test it, and finally deploy it. AI becomes your assistant, not your replacement. At the end of the day, software engineering is much more than writing code. It's understanding requirements, designing architecture, reviewing code, ensuring security, optimizing performance, and planning for future maintenance. These responsibilities still belong to the developers. So, what should AI actually do? Let AI handle repetitive work, boilerplate, crude APIs, DTOs, validation, documentation. Anything repetitive can be automated. That makes developers fast and more productive. But there are things AI still cannot replace, like system design, architecture, security decisions, scalability, debugging complex production issues, understanding business requirements, and engineering judgments. These skills make someone a real software engineer. So, is vibe coding dead? My answer will be no. Blind vibe coding is dead. The future isn't AI replacing developers. The future is developers who know how to use AI effectively. The best developers won't be the ones who write every line manually, and they won't be the ones who blindly copy AI generated code either. They will be the ones who combine AI speed with human engineering judgment. That's what software development looks like in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.